No doubt if you were sound asleep last night, you were awakened to the sounds of some loud, booming thunder.
Oh boy, wasn't it? Thunder and lightning hit most of our KIII viewing area, bringing with it high winds, that bright lightning we were talking about, and of course, with all of that, damage to some neighborhoods, like this tree that snapped in a neighborhood near the King High School area. Video shared to us by David Perez, who says that the tree limb fell over from the storm, nearly falling on his car. Now, the downed tree has since been removed from the area, but boy, this is just one of many neighborhoods that ended up with damage from that storm.
And let's take a look also at some rain video. Lots of different videos were sent in to us, and lots of lightning, Carly. That was like illuminating our room last night. Especially our power went off for a couple of hours, but at moments the house could be illuminated because of the lightning show we had.
Yeah, those storms did have a lot of lightning. I realized our weather computers would show you how much lightning struck within 15 minutes last night, and that was topping out over like 4,000 strikes of lightning within that line of thunderstorms. So that was a big lightning event. It was also a big wind event. We saw wind gusts that were around 41 miles per hour. That's what was recorded. So there could be a few more here, stronger wind gusts like in Freer, especially as that line of thunderstorms was moving through. Freer has been missing a little bit of data here or there, but overall, our rainfall total last night coming in for Freer, 2.62 inches of rainfall. Benavides, 1.4. Corpus Christi, just over 3/4 of an inch and over 1.5 inch there. Southside, nearing 2 inches across the island. Flower Bluff, Port Aransas, 1.5. Sinton coming up with the highest rainfall amount. This was actually a report north of town, but nearing 4.5, just over 4.5 inches of rainfall there. Now, the northern half of the watershed didn't see much. That's okay. That's the water that usually goes back into the Edwards Aquifer. What we are noticing is our southern portion of the watershed did see most of the rain, which will help our lakes. And we've got more rain chances on the way. We're tracking daily storm chances for the rest of May. And what you're going to notice is it's hot and humid conditions leading to lots of storm potential energy. That's what essentially caused the storms last night. We combine that with what is known as a jet streak, which is essentially where the winds speed up and then they separate back out of the jet stream. It works very similar to how a jet engine works. And what I want to point out is it's that right or that left exit region in the jet streak where we tend to see additional boost or an additional form of lift in the atmosphere. A lot of times we're looking for cold fronts, dry lines, things like that. We had a dry line, we had orographic lift, and then it was the jet streak that snuck those thunderstorms into our area. We're still under the influence of a jet streak as we head into this afternoon and evening, but it is weakening a little bit, but there's also going to be a cold front. So coming up, we'll talk about the storm chances we have tonight as we are tracking a risk of hail and strong wind gusts with severe thunderstorms possible. That timeline coming up.